Hello, welcome to the USPTO's Quick Clinic series. My name is Sudhanshu Pathak, and today we are going to show you how to properly fill out a certification of microentity status form based on gross income in order to hopefully get your microentity status recognized by the office the first time. Before we get to the form itself, you may be asking, why would I want to file a certification of microentity status form? Well, the reason is that claiming the microentity status can cut most USPTO fees by 75% versus the undiscounted large entity fees. However, in order to receive this discount, one must file a certification that one qualifies as a microentity. This is done by filling out the certification of microentity status form, as we will show in this video. It is noted that not everyone qualifies as a microentity, and a microentity status form should only be filled by applicants who qualify. This video focuses on how to fill out the certification of microentity status form based on gross income, and does not discuss the qualifications for microentity status. For more information regarding whether or not you qualify for microentity status based on gross income, please contact the Pro Se Assistance Center at 1-866-767-3848 or via email at innovationdevelopment@uspto.gov. You can also refer to the Inventor Info Chat presented on April 20th, 2017 on our website by searching for Info Chats. The following will describe the steps in filling out the form.
To show you how to fill out the microentity status form, we're going to go through an example in which Jane Doe and John Smith are co-inventors and are following the form with their initial filing. Along the way, we will talk about common mistakes so that you can avoid them. Since the form is being filed with the initial filing, there is no application number yet, and the application number box is being left blank. If the form were to be filed after the initial filing, the application number would be put here. A common mistake to avoid is putting the provisional application number in this blank when filing a non-provisional application. As will be mentioned many times throughout this video, it is okay to leave boxes that do not apply blank. Similarly, the patent number box is being left blank because the form is being filed with the initial filing. A patent number is only given after an examination has occurred and an issue fee has been paid. Additionally, an application number is not the same thing as a patent number, and an application number should not be put into this box. If your application has gone through the whole prosecuting process and issued into a patent, then congratulations. Only then would you put your patent number here. In the first named inventor box, put the full name of the first named inventor. A common mistake to avoid is only putting the first name of the inventor because the full name of the first named inventor is required here. So how do you determine who is the first named inventor? If you are the sole inventor, meaning you do not have any co-inventors, then it is easy. A sole inventor is the first named inventor. If there are co-inventors, then the first named inventor is the first inventor listed in the application data sheet or on an oath that lists all the inventors. Also, if you have received a filing receipt, the first named inventor will be the first inventor listed on the filing receipt. In our example, Jane Doe is the first named inventor. Next, the title of the invention goes in the title of the invention box. Be sure that the title of the invention put into this box matches the title of the invention listed on the application data sheet or the oath. In our example, Mousetrap is the title of our invention. Next, the form must be signed. One can either use an S signature, meaning that one forward slash is put in front of the inventor's name and one forward slash is put after the inventor's name, or a handwritten signature. In this example, we signed Jane Doe's name using an S signature. Next, we're going to fill in the inventor's name in the name box. A common mistake to avoid is to forget to fill in the name box when an S signature is used. It does not matter if one can clearly read the S signature, the name box must be filled in when an S signature is used. Also, the name should exactly match the name of the signing inventor on an application datasheet or an oath. We are also filling in the date and telephone number boxes. While these boxes are optional, it can be helpful to fill them in. We are leaving the registration number box blank because neither Jane Doe nor John Smith are registered patent agents or patent attorneys. If you are a registered patent agent or patent attorney, then you can put your registration number here. Last on this form, we're going to check the bottom left-hand box that indicates that there is at least one other co-inventor. When there are co-inventors, each co-inventor must fill out a separate form, unless the form is being signed by a patent agent or patent attorney. In the last slide, we filled in the microentity status form for Jane Doe. However, since John Smith is a co-inventor, we also need to fill out a form for John Smith. A common mistake to avoid is not filing microentity status forms for all co-inventors. Since most of the form is going to be the same for both Jane Doe and John Smith, we're going to fill out the entire form for John Smith and point out the differences. And there we go. One thing to note about John Smith's form is that the first name inventor is not the signing inventor, John Smith. This is because Jane Doe is the first name inventor. Also, John Smith signed his form with a handwritten signature instead of an S signature that Jane Doe used. Both are acceptable.
Thanks for watching this video in the USPTO's Quick Clinic series. Now you should have a much better understanding regarding how to fill out the Certification of Microentity Status form based on gross income. If you have any further questions regarding this video or any other patent-related questions, please contact the Pro Se Assistance Center at the number and email address listed. Also, a special thanks goes to the entire Art Unit 3649 for helping prepare these materials. Thanks for watching.